I'm a fool for your love.
So we have the Stinset here. It's been sitting here for 2 days. This is why you don't set tiles when it's less than 40 degrees, or it's going to be less than 40 degrees before it cures. It won't dry. So pretty much what happens is, this is what I gather from the reps that I buy this Thinset from. The polymers in the Thinset won't dry if it goes below 40. Now, if it goes above 40 the following day, it may dry over time. Like, it's gonna take a long time to dry. It will eventually dry, but there won't be any strength. The bond is gonna be so weak that, you know, like this, it's still pretty soft. So never set tiles when it's below 40 or when it's gonna be below 40 overnight, because it's not only when you're setting it, but also while it cures. Now, this only applies to new construction and outside work. If it's below 40, but you're doing work inside an AC controlled house, then you're not gonna have any issues. This is only for new construction and outside patios and stuff like that. So I hope this helped.